In this video, I will show you how to set up and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 WARP. So I'll show you how to install Cloudflare WARP, configure the 1.1.1.1 app, and connect to WARP on your device. Whether you're new to Cloudflare WARP or simply want to learn how to use the 1.1.1.1 WARP app, this guide will walk you through the setup process and show you the important settings you need to know. If this video helps you, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, internet tips, and easy to follow guides. Now, to do this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come up to the address bar at the top, and just type 1.1.1.1, and then hit enter on your keyboard. Now what it's going to do is take you across to the official Cloudflare website. From here, you need to select the device that you want to download this for. So in this example, I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to click onto Windows. Now, as you can see, that's going to download the installer onto my PC. Once that's done, you can give it a click. And then what you can do is run through the steps to install the Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 WARP client on your computer or laptop. Once the client has finished installing, you're going to get a window come up like this. What you want to do is agree to the terms and continue to enable private browsing. And then what it's going to do is open up a screen like this. From here, you can choose the modes that you want to use. And then what you can do is click onto connect, and it's going to go ahead and connect. Now from here, if you come over to the left and click onto connectivity, you can see your current DNS connection and the status and more information about your connection. Once that's done, if you want to disconnect, just simply use your search box in your taskbar at the bottom and type Cloudflare. You should see the Cloudflare 1 client come up underneath best match. Give it a click and that's going to open up the app where you can just come and disconnect, as you can see. So that's how to set up and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more internet tips and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.